Hey guys, Jeremy Net here with a little bit of an update on progress on the hilt. It's pretty much at a standstill at the moment, still waiting on parts to come in, but I did get some of the Goth chassis in, so it came with a piece to go inside of the box here, so it's got a resting spot for both of the switches in here, so that makes it a whole lot easier isolating out the switches. And this fits nice on top. I did have to sand this down on both sides to kind of make it nice and level with the top of the box. So just took some 60 grit sandpaper, rubbed the top edge up against the sandpaper and the bottom edge just to level it out really good. It's just at a really good height in here, with once this is on top, for the switches to be just perfect with the card over the top of it where you can click both of them. So I was happy with that. As far as the chassis goes, I really like it. I drilled a hole in the top right here so that when I slide the chassis in, it matches up just right with the body in here. So I gotta get to start sliding in, but that hole matches up with this grub screw right here. And then, one second, gotta get that lined up quick. And so when I slide this right in place and thread this screw through that hole, it matches up perfectly where this top piece just lines up and everything is nice and flush. Everything screws down nice and snugly, and this Goth chassis does not go anywhere once it's tightened down, which is really, really nice. So this chassis set up for the Proffieboard. I still have to evaluate this because I'm going to be using a 21700 lithium-ion rechargeable keep power battery in this, and I gotta evaluate how this is going to seat in here. Based on trying to get a crystal chamber. This fits really snug up in here, so I'm going to have to come up with a design setup to get some kind of threaded screw through some of these points in here. I'm probably going to have to make a little modifications to some of the spots in here just to get something for the chamber to hold on to, especially if it ends up seating on top of the end of the battery. So I gotta evaluate it. I might change everything about the way this is set up. Got the Proffieboard already programmed and set up, and most of it's just waiting. I have one company that I have quite a bit of the components for the crystal chamber coming from here in the state of Illinois, and they were supposed to ship out Monday, and it is Wednesday and they still haven't shipped. So I'm not too thrilled with them. When you claim one-day shipping and it's days later, I'm getting a little fed up with them, but it is what it is.
watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.